All right, folks, we're out here at the Dollar General on Mossad Boulevard in Monroeville, Pennsylvania. They got a clogged lateral. You can see our clean out Y45 is clogged up, trap's clogged up. We're gonna go ahead and run the jetter through it here. We'll get some video shots for you. Here's our General J3055. We'll put a good nozzle on her here. Yeah, I get a lot of these Dollar General calls for whatever reason. One of them damn Hellcats. Yeah, we get a lot of Dollar General work from these random maintenance companies. This one's called the National Fix. It's typically from a company called Shear Enterprises we get these jobs. But not this one. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Let's go get our fresh water hook up here at the rear of the building, and we'll get the hose down the line.